Let us show you how to create wealth and life-changing income. There are three types of people when it comes to money and wealth creation. Those that spend more than they make, those that spend all they make, those that spend less than they make, putting the surplus to work. There are two ways to create passive cash flow: wealth and financial independence. You have capital like cash, crypto, or other assets to put to work. Or you have insufficient capital, so you must use sweat equity. Financial independence is when you can live off your profits and not eat your capital. True wealth is when you can pay for life's luxuries with your profits while your capital grows. Imagine building capital and generating cash flow from anywhere in the world, any time of day, in any economic environment, with as little as a phone, laptop, and internet connection. You can, by doing what venture capitalists do, starting with as little as $100. Did you know Netflix, Shopify, Uber, Airbnb, and many other giants all need venture capital? And the venture capitalists make big profits. What if you could receive equity, rewards, and profits from funding projects with big upside with an outlay as little as $100? You can, by becoming part of a global community that enjoys the same benefits as big venture capital firms. Real-world projects, real opportunity. The first venture capital raise is funding the world's biggest financial technology project, changing the world of AI trading. It's a unique opportunity offering. You receive equity in an IPO of a world-leading fintech company and enjoy passive profits from the technology developed by the fintech company. Withdraw your earnings anytime or compound and build long-term wealth. Earn referral income from sharing the concept and building a community. AI plus fintech equals opportunity. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is used by all top financial institutions. The venture capital raise is funding development of a new super AI. The super AI is designed to create trading profits unseen before. This is one of the world's largest financial technology development projects. Crowdfunding is venture capital raising for the masses. Venture capital companies wanted to fund this project, but were declined. This project is about bringing wealth to the masses, not only institutions. Contribute $100 or more, you decide your level of contribution. Contribute $102,000 and get private VIP access to the trading technology. Let's look at the crowdfunding goals for Phase 1. Raise $10 million for development and testing of the Super AI. Raise $500 million for the trading fund for the development and testing of the AI. Profits made in the trading fund are paid out to the VC community. Currently, there are trading funds for both cryptocurrency and FOREX. Future plans are also move into stocks and commodities. Let me introduce Indotech, the fintech company. Indotech has a team of 60-plus AI scientists, quants, analysts, developers, and researchers. Indotech is a world leader in creating AI financial technology for institutional investment firms. A white paper detailing the project was published to get input from the world's top AI and trading minds. Indotech plans to become a public company in 2023, bringing their super AI to the financial world. Let's meet Dr. Anna Becker, the Indotech CEO. She holds a PhD in AI and has been developing financial technology for 20-plus years. Dr. Anna is an author, speaker, consultant, and world leader in AI financial technology. She previously created and sold a successful financial technology company in the FOREX sector. Her technologies are currently being used by leading global banks and investment funds. What are the benefits of a smart contract? Smart contracts are a new technology that ensures all promised outcomes are delivered. You get to operate in a decentralized environment on the blockchain, free from human intervention. This provides full transparency of all transactions for your peace of mind. You enjoy instant payouts of referral earnings to your personal wallet that you control. What are the benefits of the Tron blockchain? The Tron blockchain is amongst the fastest and most scalable blockchains. The Tron blockchain is the top emerging decentralized app platform. The Tron blockchain has very low transaction fees for transferring funds. What are the benefits for passive crowdfund contributors? 50 to 70% of your contribution goes to the trading fund, earning passive trading rewards. Indotech historically has developed an average annual trading profit of 200% with compounding. The goal of the Super AI development is to significantly increase past trading results. You can receive equity shares in the IPO of Indotech planned for 2023. What are the benefits for contributors who share this opportunity? They can create supplementary or life-changing bonuses from referral rewards. They can also receive a share of all crowdfund contributions and all trading rewards generated globally. They can also receive additional equity shares in the IPO when qualified for incentive programs. You can use your referral income to fund additional crowdfunding contributions, creating more trading rewards. Let's look at what has happened so far. There are more than 160,000 crowdfund contributors in 150-plus countries. Over $210 million has been raised in crowdfund contributions. Over $100 million has been withdrawn by the community in trading and referral rewards. 5, 6, and 7-figure referral incomes have been earned by contributors. Imagine owning equity in real-world projects that can become major success stories. Imagine earning passive profit rewards and having priority access to lucrative opportunities. Imagine building cash flow and wealth, building a community of fellow venture capitalists. Get started today. We invite you to get back to the person who shared this opportunity with you.